there. Okay. Cos 18 degree. So 90 sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 18 degree positive. Cos square 18 degree. Okay, so let me put cos 18 degree is this. Whole square of that is 1.4. The value is 10 plus 2 root 5 whole square. Cos 18 whole square. It is giving us 10 plus 2 root 5 upon 16 here. If I take 2 common, it is 2 common here, 5 plus root 5, 5 plus root 5 upon 16, that is 5 plus root 5 by 8. This is the value here, but that is not coming proper value, because answer is coming here as 5 upon 16. How can be 5 upon 16? Now if I rationalize, even then it will not come in, because 5 minus 2, 25 minus 20, then the denominator will also be to be multiplied. That will be the strange value. It is 5 plus 105 upon 80 upon 8. Not the same value. So this question is also mistaken, I think. 14th question. This value is strangely given. 14th, 11th I'll take later. But before that, let me solve other questions which are possible, and finally I'll check the values. Question given is correct or not. Okay, but answers are not matching. Question number 15, let me take now. Question number 15. Now it says, question number 15, sin 12 degree. We have to prove that sin 12 degree into sin sin 12 degree into sin 48 degree is sin 48 degree into sin 54 degree equal to 1 upon 8. We have to prove. Okay, so let us take one by one. If I take sin 12 degree plus 48 degree, that will give us 60 degree. Alright, difference will be 32 degree. So let us take one by one. Oh, left hand side here. The solution we are finding out. Okay, let us take this left hand side. The left hand side is sin 12 degree into sin 48 degree into sin 54 degree. Okay, first let me take dividing by 2 and multiplying by 2. This is 2 sin 12 degree into sin 48 degree. Okay, and 8 plus 4, 12 and 102. That is okay. Let me take these two first. Sin 54 degree as it is. What it comes out to be? This is 1.2. It is sin A sin B. This cos A minus B. That means 48 minus 12 degree minus cos A plus B. 48 degree plus 12 degree into sin 54 degree. It can be written as 90 minus 36 degree. Okay, so that is there. It gives us 1.2. 48 minus 12 is 36 degree. It is cos 36 degree. Minus cos, this is what? 48 plus 12, 60 degree. It is cos 60 degree. Into sin 54 can be written as 90 degree minus 36 degree. It is cos 36 degree. 1.2 bracket, it is cos 36 degree. Cos 36 degree is root 5 plus 1.4. Cos 60 degree is 1.2. into this is cos 36 degree. Cos 36 degree. It will give us within bracket 4 LCM and 1.2 within bracket with 4 LCM root 5 plus 1 minus 2 is minus 2 here upon 4. Second is cos 36 degree, that means root 5 plus 1 upon 4 is cos 36 degree. Cos 36 root 5 plus 1 upon 4, and this is root 5 plus 1 minus 2 because this is minus half cos 60 degree. Okay, so that is giving us this value. Let me do this here. So finally this value is 1.2. Okay, root 5, first bracket is root 5 minus 1 because plus 1 minus 2 is minus 1 upon 4. Second bracket it is under root 5 plus 1 upon 4. It gives us a minus b, a plus b. So it is 1.4 to the 16 to the 32 in bracket root 5 minus 1 root 5 plus 1 multiplying a plus b, a minus b. It is a square not b square. Root 5 whole square minus 1 square. It gives us 1.32 into 5 minus 1, that is 4 upon 32, 1 upon 4 is the 32, 1.8 here. The same right hand side is off here. So this is the right hand side here. Okay, so this question is here. So the value here is correct. This question is okay. If the values are wrongly given, so those that question is looking, different one. Because the value given pi by 2 means that is not, it will be pi by 2 pi by 5 or something like that. It is 2 pi by 5, it is pi by 5, be pi by 12 or something. Just can't imagine at the moment, but I'll solve it. I'll solve there. If I take pi by 2 and 2 pi by 2 whole square of that, we sin pi by 2 plus 2 pi by 5 sin a plus b. Okay, this is cos a plus b, cos a minus b. That may be there. Okay, whole square then cos a minus b, a plus b may be there. The 14th question may be done in that way. Alright. So if I take, let me take question number 14, one more chance, because I have not to change the value, but I will solve in the process. Question number 14, 15 I have done, 16 I will just take, but before that I will take 14 again. And I think this may be done in this way. This is sine square pi by 2 into sine square 2 pi by 5. Okay, so this is equal to, we have to do 5 by 16. Okay, if I take left hand side, this is solution here, left hand side here. Okay, it will give us, left hand side is sine square pi by into sine square 2 pi by 5. If I multiply this by 2, that means we have to divide by 4 because it is whole square here. If I write sine pi by 2 into sine 2 pi by 5 whole square, no change. Okay, now this is 2 sine A sine B. That is sine cos A plus B, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. That is the value here. Then whole square. It will be first cos A minus B. That is pi by 2 minus 2 pi by 5 minus cos pi by 2 plus 2 pi by 5. A minus B, A plus B. This is whole square. 1.4 here. Pi by 2 minus theta, 90 minus theta, is sine theta. This is first quadrant. This is sine 2 pi by 5. Okay. माना this is cos 90 plus it is negative, with plus here then is sin 2 pi by 5 whole square. Alright, it is there. Let me check further. Now 2 pi by 6. Okay, pi by 5 is 36 degree. Yeah, 36 to the 72 degree. Why 72 degree? It is 1.4 sin 72 degree plus sin 72 degree whole square. You will get twice of sin 72 degree. 1.4 into twice means 4 here. Sin 72 degree whole square. It will give us 1 only. Sin 72 degree means sin 90 minus 18 degree whole square of this. It is giving us cos 18 degree. Cos 18 degree whole square. Now cos 18 degree is again the same value is coming 1.4, but this root 5 and this is coming 10 plus root 5 upon 4. That is going 5 by 16. So I mean it's a strange value. Even this is not coming that way. Question 14 I'll take later because some mistake in the numerical value given is there. So let me take that later. But still it is coming cos square 18 degree. And cos square 18 degree, this is square, which is 1.16 and 10 plus 2 root 5. Not coming 5 by 16. Some mistake is there. So I'll check the questions 11 and 14. Later. So 15 we have done, 16 now. Let me take question number 16. What will it say? It says now 4 cos 6 degree into cos 4 into cos 6 degree into cos 42 degree into cos 66 degree. Okay, 66 degree into cos 78 degree. 78 degree. Okay, we have to prove that this is equal to 1.4. Okay, I think this question is of similar kind. It's in cos. It was 10 upon we did this 10 6 degree than this one. In the denominator we were getting 1.16. Okay, so 10 multiplied by 4, 4 upon 16 is 1.4. Answer is coming. Okay, so let us take this solution. Left hand side here. This is solution. We are calculating. This is 4 into within bracket cos 6 degree, cos 42 degree into cos 66 degree into cos 78 degree. So I have to take this 6 and cos 66. This 4 into, if I take cos 6 degree into cos 66 degree together, and 2 if I take 2 here. I have not multiplied this twice into cos 42 degree into cos 78 degree, which is giving us 2 cos A cos B. The first will be cos A plus B, that means 72 degree in first bracket. 6 plus 66 or 66 plus 6 72 degree plus cos 66 A minus B, this is 60 degree. Second bracket 2 cos A cos B, this is first is A plus B, sum of these two, this is 120 degree. This cos 2 plus 8 10 0, okay, or 0 I mean 1 carry, 4 plus 7 11 and 112 degree or 120 degree plus cos difference 78 minus 42. 78 minus 42 36 degree. Okay, this is coming here. Cos 72 degree is can be written as cos 90 degree minus 18 degree plus cos 60 degree is 1.2 Cos 120 degree is minus 1.2 plus cos 36 degree. Let me write cos 36 degree as it is. It will give us here cos 90 minus theta is sin 18 degree plus 1.2. Next bracket minus 1.2 plus cos 36 degree value is equal to 5 plus 1 upon 4. The first one cos sin 18 degree is root 5 minus 1 upon 4 plus 1.2. This is 4 if I take the LCM minus 2 plus root 5 plus 1. Again in the first bracket also 4 we have taken LCM. This is root 5 minus 1 and plus 2. Okay, and here in the second bracket we have taken minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 under root 5 minus 1 upon 4. That's it. And this is under root 5 plus 1 because minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1. Let me take this here. Okay, so question gives this under root 5 minus 1, sorry this value, under root 5 plus 1 in first bracket on 4. In second bracket is under root 5 minus 1 on 4. It will give us a minus b a plus b, that means a square minus b square. Root 5 minus 1 upon 16. 5 by 4 4 just 16 multiplied. And 4 upon 16 1 upon 4. Answer is 1.4 right inside. So this question we have done in case of 10 of the same values. Okay. The denominator we got 1 upon 16, but it was 4 into 1 upon 16. The same answer is coming. So this is question number 16 we have done. Two questions 14th and 11th have some values are mistaken, numerical values, because the answer is not coming proper. I'll check that 11th and 14th. Okay, so this question, let me take now question number 17. What is 17 question say? Okay, question number 17th now. This is cos to prove again. Cos 2 pi by 15. Okay, it is 2 pi by 15. Cos 4 pi by 15. Here into cos 8 pi by 15. Okay, into cos 14 pi by into cos 14 pi by 15. 14 pi by 15. Okay. So equal to 1.16 we have to prove. This is 1.16 we have to prove here. Let me take how many values? 4 values are there. Okay, that is the question here. Okay, then pi by 2. Nothing is cancelled out. Okay. So let us take then cos A, cos B, this is. If I take 2 pi, okay, and this cos 8 pi together. So let me take left hand side here. Left hand side, this is solution we are finding out. Left hand side is cos 2 pi by 15. Okay, this is, let me take together cos 8 pi by 15 together into cos 4 pi by 15 into cos 14 pi by 15 together. So if I multiply by 2 and divide by 2, this is 1.4. 2 into cos 8 pi by 15 into cos 2 pi by 15. In one bracket, another bracket 2 into cos 14 pi by 15 into cos 2 pi by 15. Okay, cos A cos B. We know that this is cos A plus B minus plus cos A minus B. This is cos A plus B. 2 cos A cos B means cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Same like this. In the same way that is also in the second bracket. It gives us cos A plus B. That means 8 pi plus 2 pi tan pi upon 15 plus cos this minus this 8 pi minus 2 pi 6 pi upon 15. This is in one bracket. Another bracket. Sum of these two 14 plus 4 18. 18 pi by 15. Okay, and plus cos the difference 14 minus 4 10 10 pi by 15. Let us take further. Let us take it further. This is 2 pi by 3. Pi 2 pi 3. It is cos 2 pi by 3 cos 120 degree. Pi by 3 is 60. This is 120 degree. Plus cos 3 2 and 3 5 2 pi by 5. Pi by 36. This is 72 degree. Cos 18 by 15. That means 3 6 3 5 6 pi by this cos 6 pi by 3 6 18 3 5 15 6 pi by 15 plus cos 10 pi by 2 pi by 3. This is cos 2 pi by 3 120 degree. Okay, 36 into 6. This value is, let me put the values here, 1.4. Okay, 6 pi by 5 if I write, then I can do that as pi by 10. You can do it is 6 so plus it may be pi by 2 plus pi by 10. If I take 10 LCM, it is 2 degree. Again it is 5 if I take 10 degree LCM. 5 plus 2 are new. This is 5 by 10 means this is 5 plus 1 6 by 10. But this is 6 pi by. Okay, let me put the values down. Doesn't matter. What is that value? This is 2 pi by 3, 120 degree. So cos 120 degree plus cos this one. This is 36 to the 72. But pi by 6 is 36 degree. 36 to the 72. Cos 72 degree. Second bracket. Cos 6 pi by 36 into 6. 6 is the 36. 3 carry 6 is the 18 and 3. 21. 260. So it is 180 plus 36 degree. Right? 20 plus 60. Alright. This is that. We can add it as cos 180 degree plus 36 degree. So this is 216 degree. 6 pi by. And this is 2 pi by 3. That means cos 120 degree. No problem. Let me take this above. Change marker. So the value comes out to be, let me write here. Okay, it gives us 1.4 in bracket. Cos 120 degree with minus 1.2. Cos 72 degree can you place 90 minus 18 degrees. This is the value. Second is cos 180 plus theta plus 36 degree is minus, because cos 180 degree plus theta is third quadrant. In third quadrant, cos is negative. It is minus cos 36 degree. Sorry, it is cos 36 degree. And minus 120 degree means 1.2. Cos 120 degree minus 1.2. And these two are minus plus. Okay, so 1.4 minus 1.2 plus cos 90 plus theta is sin 18 degree and 18 degree cos 36 degree. In cos 36 degree you can substitute here minus root 5 plus 1 upon 4 minus 1.2. Okay, let me take it further. So in the first bracket, what do we have? In the first bracket we have 1.4. This is sin 18 degree minus 1.2 plus root 5 minus 1.4. It is 4 here, it is bracket. Taking 4 LCM here, minus root 5 minus 1 plus 1 minus 2 here, because 4 we have taken LCM to the 4 minus 2. In the first bracket 1.4, it is already coming here 1.4 here, and here it is 4 LCM, so we put here 4 LCM minus 2 here plus root 5 minus 1. Here it gives us minus 3 minus root 5 upon 4. Minus sign can be taken common outside. This is minus 3 plus root 5. If I take common from minus sign here, the minus sign from this, the minus sign plus it will be, the first will be 1.64 we have taken here. Okay, this minus sign if I take common, 3 will become positive and root 5 will be 3 minus root 5. And this is 3 plus root 5. So the minus sign both are positive then, but take minus sign out. And that minus sign multiplied with this one, because minus 3 will become positive and plus root 5 will become negative there. It is a plus b, a minus b. That means 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5. Okay, and the numerator divided by 64. It gives us 4 upon 64. It is 1 upon 16. 4 in the 4. 4 16 times 1 upon 16 is coming. Alright, this is your right hand side. Okay, so which value looks good? Question is correct 100%. But this answer is matching. Okay, so this is question number 17 we have done. Let me take question number 18 now. So this question number 18 say. How many questions are there? 20 questions are there. Okay, so let me take now question number 18. Question 18 is cos alpha into cos 2 alpha into cos 4 alpha into cos 16 alpha, 8 alpha, sorry, 8 alpha. It is 8 alpha here. If alpha is 24 degree equal to 1.16 or 1.16, we have to take, we have to reach up to what we have to do, that is equal to 1.16 if alpha is equal to 24 degree. That is the point. Okay, so let us take value solution. Here left hand side is cos alpha, cos twice alpha, cos 4 alpha, cos 8 alpha. If I take cos 24 degree, cos 48 degree, it is 24 into cos 4 into 48 and 8 into 48. Just let me multiply this. 24 into 4, 96. This is 96 degrees. Okay, 4 into 24 or 8 now, 8, 96 puja. It is 96 puja. So 8 into 24. 8 for the 32. 3 carry 8 to the 10 and 3 30. 1 32. 8 to the 16 plus 3 94 is 192. I'm sorry. Right, 192. It is 192. And last is cos 192 degree. Okay. So if I take it as 192 degree, cos 8 alpha is 24 into 8. This for the 32 would see carry it to 16 and 90. Okay. 192 degree is there. Okay, let us take now them together. So if I take 96, 24, 48 and 196, what it will give us? 48 plus 98. Let me just add them. 2 plus 8, 10, 1 carry 9 plus 13 is 14, 4 and 2 40. Sum is 240. Difference will be, okay, and difference will be that. If I take 96 plus this, okay, and difference will be 12 minus 8 is 4, 1 carry, 4, 44, 144 degree. It is 144, which is 36 and 144. Exactly, is 180. That is good. Okay, let us take this value. So, these are two matching points we have taken. 8 alpha is 24, we have taken alpha is 24. It gives us that we divide it by 4 and multiply by 4. So this is 2 into cos 24 degree into cos. If I take 192 plus 24 and difference will give us what? If I take 24, okay, this is 6 here, 9 plus 11, 1 and this is 216. That is not giving us proper value. Okay, and 24 plus 96 is 0, 1 carry, this 1, 20, 11 and 1, 12. Okay, this coming that way. 24 plus difference is 6 minus 4, 2, 9 minus 2 is 72. Okay, maybe matching. Let us take the values here. With 24, let me take 96 here, cos 96. And the second one, to cos 48 degree into cos 192 degree. So this is cos A cos B to cos A cos B. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B formula that we have to apply here. Cos A into cos B equal to cos A plus B in one bracket, first one, plus cos